Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing a video review on the Kidde i12060A smoke alarm. I think it's ionization. Yeah, it's ionization, it says on the back. So, this one decided to be faulty on me. This was downstairs in one of the rooms. And one morning, this started beeping on me. So I had to take it down. And it turned out to be that I think something in the alarm, the AC power circuit boards were getting too hot, causing the alarm to start beeping. It even zapped the interconnecting, so can't really rely on this anymore, but I have others that work. This one still detects smoke amazingly, so yeah. Glad the sensor still works. So let's see what when the manufacturing date was. October 6, 2022. So not too old. Only about, because it's now 2024, so it'd be about 2 years old. So yeah, we won't be able to interconnect this, so sorry you guys, we'll just have to deal without interconnecting. But I'll be able to test it on AC power though. We'll see if that feature still works. Alright, let's give it a test. This is actually one of the lowest pitches I've heard on any smoke alarm with the piezo. So yeah. And then let's do a little comparison. So here is its photoelectric combination brother, the KNCOPEIC. These ones, I've never really seen these have problems with interconnecting, although I've heard of many problems with the battery compartment. This one has a faulty battery compartment. So yeah, can't really, yeah. There was one time where I tried to shove it closed and make sure it stayed connected, and it got jammed. So yeah, these battery compartments aren't really the best. So yeah. Alrighty. Well, I just thought I'd make a little comparison to it. Let's see. No, we'll look at the back of this in a separate video. I'm gonna do the video review on this next. So let's get a cord. We're gonna wire this thing up. We're gonna test it. They say these are like the quick, easy connect because they're already stripped for you, but in my opinion, these are even more of a hassle than the ones that aren't stripped are, if you ask me. These like to come out of the wire caps a lot more, at least from my personal experience when wiring up these. First alerts are easier for me to wire. Alright, hopefully this was steady. I'm hoping the AC power feature still works on this, because this one was getting really hot. So I probably shouldn't leave it on too long. Alrighty. Let's test it. Ooh, and it does still work. Turn the lights off. So yep, here it is on AC power. So the green light's on this, exactly like the one in my ceiling has the green light on also. Which I'll give you guys a quick view to it, real quick. Oh, forgot my toolbox is there. My bad. That would have been a great video for Fail Army. But here's one with the green light on. Put my toolbox back in the thing. Alright, there we go. Alrighty. Sorry about the trip there. I forgot my toolbox was even there. I'm pretty clumsy this morning, so. Alrighty, well. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.